I took a look inside the Roborock Q10 to see what components it uses and whether there might be any clues indicating that it was produced by PK. I was particularly interested in the SoC but also in the suction motor. Unfortunately, the footage didn't turn out very well, so let's jump straight into the details. The suction motor used here is a model from Kelly's BL24 series. Roborock has changed suppliers several times in the past. They used Nidec motors before, then switched to Cinderson. And now it seems they've settled on Kelly, since the current Saros 10 series also features a Kelly motor, though from the BL27 series. Found no detailed specs, but I have measured the BL24 motor here at round about 4000 Pascal fully sealed at the cleaning head, which is actually a very good value. Unfortunately, the robot doesn't manage to convert that level of performance on my test surfaces for several reasons. A review of its cleaning performance will follow soon. Moving on to the system on a chip. It is a SigmaStar 9211D, which is an absolute low-end chip, the same type found in the iRobot Roomba 205. That means we're dealing with an ARM Cortex-A7 architecture, which is already quite dated. Overall, I couldn't draw any solid conclusions about whether this unit was built by PKA or not. I would almost assume probably not, since PKA offers its own in-house suction motors, and I do not see why you would customize a low-end ODM product. Also, the mainboard labeling is a little indicator it is not PKA build, if you compare it to the iRobot and 3iRobotics PCBs. But as I said, I can't definitively confirm or deny it. Now I'll show you the footage of me disassembling the robot. As mentioned, the quality isn't great, and then we'll finish with some detailed photos. That's it for now. As I said, the cleaning performance review will be coming soon, so maybe consider subscribing if you're interested, so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.